Namaskar. Good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, scholars, students, sportsmen, officials, ministers. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all your presence for your wonderful and valuable time. Today, it is very important and crucial moment that we are sharing our thoughts and ideas. Actually, we are made by the supreme power to do something supreme, to do something the highest and the greatest. As it is said that thieves and gamblers deface the glory of nation and clan, rejuvenates the life torn by hard work, it uplifts the life torn. Humility makes us victor, arrogant loses all whosoever. Lies, jealousy and ego, whosoever feeds, time and again he dies in spirit as well in deeds. Adopt life with liveliness, never succumb to fears, never goes to that extent which brings others to tears. Hate begets hate anon, hater bunch himself alone. Adopt life with liveliness, never succumb to fears, never goes to that extent which brings others to tears. These are the teachings, messages from the voice of God. The earth was created with some great motive. What's that? That is the humanitarian motive. We have come on this earth with the highest purpose, goal, motto, motive, objective. But our actions are not according to our objective, then we don't have right to live on this earth from the command of God or Lord. He commands us to do according to His words, according to His thought. But we are lagging behind. We are not running on the righteous path. Sometimes we deflect from the righteous path. It is rightly said, the ancient glorious tradition, the ancient glorious tradition are to teach and learn disobedience, offense, ill words, hit the tables, turn. Due respect and all, it is the spiritual clarion call. Those who commit sincerely, patriotism and prayer attain spiritual peace and divine glimpse, the social status, whatever there. Copying and stealing is more than sin. Hard working doing always win. What is the message? What is said in the Holy Bible, in the Holy Scripture of all religions? And what are our actions? Do we do the actions according to our teachings of the religion? Very less people. A few people may claim that they do according to their religion. Our routine of 24 hours should be according to our Vedas. The Vedas, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. What are the messages conveyed by these holy scriptures? We must understand to spend the peaceful and prosperous life. If we spend our life according to the words of these scriptures, of the holy books, then we can never feel any pain. There is no doubt that it is said, no pain, no gain. Why it is said? According to William Shakespeare, tragedy is better than comedy. Tragedy creates peace, pity, fear. Because a tragedy is permanent, forever. Comedy is not for long time, it is for short time. Comedy creates fun, but fun is not everlasting, it's not endless. So tragedy, about which William Shakespeare staunchly and strongly puts his ideas, that if you want to be the winner, then you must have tragedies, problems, and some sort of targets. If we have target, ambition, objective of life, then that should not be considered as problem or tragedy. That is our supreme aim of life. If our daily life we spend with a particular goal and particular objective, then it provides us perfect ecstatic joy of life. It makes us rejoiceful. It fills us with delight. So early in the morning time is the best time We should utilize this time in the meditation, in praying to God. As it is said in our religion that do serve as the spiritual guide ordains, in that he has no personal gain. For the humanity's service, do some action, reduce evil's effects to least fraction. Language may be different according to the religion, but their meanings are the same. Their meanings are in past, in present and future are the same. Unchangeable, stable and permanent. Angels long for this human term